Wanna know something crazy? Over 100,000 plus people are successfully generating an online income with Clickbank, and they all have one thing in common. This one thing is the secret to their success, is being revealed by Clickbank themselves for free right now in this video. Trust me here. If you're like many internet marketers, you can't help drooling when you peruse the famous and quite addictive Clickbank marketplace. From just the front page of the marketplace, Clickbank's clients will earn close to $100 million this year. As you click from page to page, your eyes get wider and wider, your heart starts pounding. And your jaw drops to the floor when you start to see the incredible popularity, the gravity, all those product pitch pages. All those products are making someone money. Making someone rich. Someone maybe, yes. But unfortunately, most likely not you. Quietly under your breath, you make a vow to yourself. Someday I'm going to be in the Clickbank marketplace with thousands of people promoting me. But how? In the past, Clickbank marketing success has been a hit and miss proposition. Not anymore. Fortunately today, I have the answer. Clickbank University 2.0 is now open. It just opened to the mass public, so make sure to enroll ASAP to secure your spot. Clickbank University is the only learning environment that trains you exclusively in becoming a successful Clickbank marketer by Clickbank themselves. That's a very worthy, not to mention worthwhile, goal. Whether that's as a successful Clickbank product vendor, or as a Clickbank affiliate earner, Clickbank University gives you the training, the blueprints, the roadmaps, and the latest methods to reach your goals as a successful Clickbank marketer. Go ahead and check out the enrollment video now. I think you'll discover with the right Clickbank-oriented training, your online income goals are not just achievable. They're easily reachable through a daily action plan all laid out for you. Look at it this way, thousands of people have gone before you. Now it's your turn to get earning in the Clickbank marketplace. Even though Clickbank is the most successful affiliate marketing platform on the internet. Even though thousands of the most successful affiliate marketers on the internet are getting direct deposits to their bank accounts every week. Still others struggle earning a decent income from their affiliate marketing efforts. It's truly unfortunate, and you're about to discover how totally unnecessary, once enthusiastic affiliate marketers end up hanging it up and quitting. What's the worst that happens? They end up giving up on their dreams. All because the affiliate marketing income and lifestyle failed to materialize. Asterisk hours upon hours chained to computers. Asterisk no income to show for their efforts. Asterisk having to constantly stay up to date with the newest traffic strategies, apps and platforms. It can be emotionally draining. But it doesn't have to be. This is exactly why Clickbank created Clickbank University. Most super affiliates I know would rather work for themselves, create their own business and achieve their dream of becoming financial free, than work for someone else. In other words, it's worth it. But the thing is, many people first starting out as an affiliate are not trained. They're winging it. And it's eventually going to cost them. Either in a loss of enthusiasm, or of time, or of money. Because they don't know what works. That's why Clickbank views their Clickbank University 2.0 as essential, especially if you're set on being a Clickbank super affiliate. In other words, why learn the multitude of ways that don't work rather than just focus on the few that do? Why learn from people that haven't done it rather than those that have time and time again? The secret to success is to learn from those already successful. Assuming you're up for it, Clickbank University 2.0 is for super affiliates in the making. Enrollment is now open, and I encourage you to watch the video before it's gone.